Advanced revenue management, adding fair value dimensions. Right, so we looked at formulas, now we're going to look at dimensions, and then we're going to look at creating fair value price list. Right, so these are the three fair value videos. Right, so let's go look at 49180. Here it is, 49180. Fair value dimensions are fields that you add to the fair value price record. For example, if you add a fair value dimension for subsidiary, which is the example that I will show you, a subsidiary field appears on the fair value price record. The dimensions you add appear in the fair value dimensions group on the fair value price record. The dimensions do not automatically appear in the fair value price list, but you can create a custom list view to add them. For information, see custom list views. The fair value dimensions may be custom segments. The custom fields may be automatically populated in the revenue arrangement columns using revenue recognition field mapping. The fair value dimension permission controls access to the fair value dimension page. The permission belongs to the list's permission type. To add fair value dimensions, administrators set up accounting fair value dimensions. Right. Select the dimension field, the description, select additional fields, save. Right. So let's go to NetSuite. So we will go setup, accounting, we'll go down to revenue, and we'll go look at fair value dimensions. So here you can see I've set up subsidiary. You can set up any other ones you like, and that is really simple, that one actually. And then when you go and look at your price list, you will see that I actually have a field here for subsidiary, okay, fair value dimension. So if I added any other ones, let's maybe one of this will work if I do it afterwards. Save, update this, there it is. Right, so whatever you add in there is going to show in this fair value dimension header on your fair value price.